If you want to create one-word captions in CapCut, this is the fastest way to do it, and it works great for short-form videos, Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. One-word captions can make your edits feel more dynamic, more engaging, and a lot easier to follow on mobile. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to generate captions and then apply the right animation so each word appears one at a time. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut. Once your video is loaded, look at the top menu and tap Text. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text and caption tools. From there, select Auto Captions. CapCut will now detect the audio in your video and turn your spoken words into text automatically. Next, choose the spoken language of your video. This is important because CapCut needs to understand the correct language to generate accurate captions. Once you've selected the language, tap Generate and wait for CapCut to process the audio. In just a few moments, your caption track will appear on the timeline. After the captions are generated, tap on the caption track to highlight it. This is the step that lets you edit the caption style and animation settings. Now, go to Animation and then tap Captions. Here you'll see different animation options for your captions. To make each word appear one at a time, select the Typewriter effect. This effect gives the text that typing style motion, which is perfect for one-word captions because it creates a word-by-word reveal. After selecting Typewriter, increase the duration to max. Setting the duration all the way up helps the animation play smoothly across your caption track and forces the text to display one word at a time instead of all at once. Once you've done that, preview the video to make sure the captions are appearing the way you want. If the pacing feels a little off, you can always go back and adjust the captions or fine-tune the animation timing, and that's really all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can turn your normal auto captions into clean one-word captions that make your edits look way more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, caption tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.